Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Ponderosa Life. My name is Bonnie, and I have just put together a few videos of my week. I started the week off with Sunset Sundays and brought a book out to the lake and sat and watched the sun go down and read the book out loud to the dogs and the cat. Monday was a pretty relaxing day. I decided to groom Meowth, our barn cat, out because everybody deserves a grooming. Mr. Pringles decided to join me in the barn, so I gave him a grooming too. And when I went out to give the horses hay, I noticed that some geese had stopped by to take a swim in our lake. And to end the evening, I took Dream for a walk, where I allowed her to graze on the green grass that grew on the other side of the fence. And the stray kitty that's been coming into the barn has allowed me to get closer to him. And on Wednesday, my husband and I walked up the driveway and got the trash can, and I decided to take Fabio with us because he is the trash can slayer. When I first started getting the trash can, Fabio would be nervous around it, but I practiced the TRT methods from the TRT horsemanship, and he now conquers the trash can and has no fear of it at all, and it's just really fun to walk Fabio up and down the driveway, with or without a trash can. And then we rolled into Thursday. Look at you, rolling around in the hay. Looky, looky, here comes Cookie. We've named the stray cat Cookie. And here's Bean Bean with her toy sleeping. On Thursday evening, I decided I would like to go journal out in the field with the horses. So I got myself a cozy little spot on the log with this beautiful view and sat with Catalina and journaled. I told her that she could read my journal, but she could not tell Fabio what was in it because we all know Fabio will tell everybody. And she promised she wouldn't tell anybody. It would be just between me and her. After this, Friday started off with spring cleaning. Now that the truck is cleaned, it is time to clean my tack room, and I am so embarrassed to show you how it looks. It has been a long, wet, muddy, cold winter, and I have kitty paws all over my tack room table. I have feed bags laying around and cat food cans. Ugh, so gross. Can't wait for this to be cleaned. And this feels so much better. Just to go into the tack room and everything organized and in its place and nice and clean feels so great. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you again next time. Goodbye!